Hello, Paul here from EMT Automotive. I got a Citroen DS3 2010. Just came in for a few problem. So I'm gonna I'm just showing you today what I'm fitting to the car. So today I'm fitting a brand new diverter valve for this Citroen here, for this DS3. So that's how it looks like. That's a brand new one. Look at the old one. The old one's already collapsed, and then it's only one. This one here is broken off. It's gone. I've tried to look for it inside the actual turbo housing and intake. Can't find it. So that's the old one. It's already collapsed in pieces. That's how it came out. It just all fall into pieces and collapse. And that's a brand new one, still intact. It should look like that. Not like that. Alright. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.